Hello, I want to introduce you to my husband Dream Come True house. It's located now on the first floor of this 4-floor tree house. On the fourth floor we're going to have honeymoon suite. Is it cool or what? And these trees are alive. Look at that, we're growing. And so it was his dream and he built it himself. And we're still in process of creation, but look at all this glass. He did it. He's so genius, he's so creative. And this is epoxy. See, it's like flowers inside of the eyes. Everything what he's touched is becoming magic. And I'm living magic, really magic. So guys, dream comes true, it's true. But you have to work on it.